Om Sai Ram. My name is Archit. My name is Aksham. We are students of 6th class. Today we are going to do the activity on artificial intelligence.
Artificial intelligence. Artificial intelligence is like giving computer the ability to think and learn, somewhat similar to how humans do. It involves teaching computers to understand and solve problems, make decisions, and even recognize and understand image and language. Artificial intelligence is used in various things like voice assistance, self-driving cars, and recommending movies, and online products. It is like teaching computers to be smart, do tasks that usually need humans' intelligence.
So this is the diagram of artificial intelligence.
Now we will explain the diagram. There are two types of AI, type 1 and type 2. There are three categories in type 1, narrow AI, general AI, and super AI.
Type 2. There are 4 categories. Reactive machine, limited memory, theory of mind, self-awareness.
So first narrow AI. Narrow AI is referred to AI system that are designed and trained for a specific task. General AI. General AI is a theoretical level of AI where machines process human-like intelligence, allowing them to understand, learn and apply knowledge across a wide range of tasks. Super AI. Super AI or super intelligence AI refer to an extremely advantaged form of artificial intelligence that much smarter than human in every way. It could learn, think, and solve problems at an incredibly high level. Think of it as an computer system that has become so intelligent that is surpassed the ability of the smartest human of all areas. Now, type 2, reactive machine. Reactive machine are like machines that automatically do certain things when the sensor says something specific, but they do not have the ability to learn or change their decision based on new information. Limited memory. Limited memory refers to artificial intelligence that can be remembered and use a small amount of past information and data. Theory of mind. It refers to the idea that a computer system can understand and predict the thoughts, emotions, etc. Self-awareness. Self-awareness means that machine or computer system has the ability to recognize and understand its own existence and state.